Hey everyone, so Fashion Plus Hair Store just sent me a 24-inch Body Wave Frontal Wig, 13 by 4. I already took it out the packaging. And this is the wig. They're no longer on Amazon, so they have their own store now. Well, they already had their own store, but it was just like doing it on Amazon. But this is the wig in its rawest form before I do anything to it. I just wanted to come on camera and show everybody. I'm gonna run my hands through it. And this is the parting. Well, the lace. It looks really, really good. And this is the inside of the wig. It does come with bottom combs. Ignore my nails, they look horrible. No, not bottom comb, but bottom scraps. This particular wig don't come with combs, but you can always add your combs and you can always add your scraps to it. So I think I'm gonna just add some highlights to her. I'm probably not gonna record that part, but yeah, just gonna put some highlights in. So this is the wig, Body Wave, 24 inches. So I did end up coloring the wig, and I ended up coloring it this blonde color. And I did, well, the wig did take pretty well to the color. They took pretty well to bleach. However, I felt like I did leave it on a little too long, and I kind of over processed it a little bit, but it still did what did what it needed to do. And right now, I'm just gonna take my Rhinus glue, and I'm going to do like my 3 typical layers of my glue to lay down my wig. So I'm just gonna keep repeating this process about 3 times, and you guys get the point. It's kind of pretty self-explanatory. So I'm gonna let it dry clear for the most part, and I'm going to lay it into the lace. What I'm going to do is just going to take my lace and I'm going to lay it into the glue. I did let some of it dry, and some of it then. I'm going to just go ahead and just, if you see the white, it's fine. I'm just going to go ahead and lay my lace into the glue. This particular day, I was recording and filming in a different area. I was filming at my sister's house, and my little pumpkin's going to pop in. She wants to tell you guys, hey, look at her. She's a little bad, but she would not let me film this particular day. So I kind of was all over the place, but I still made it work. And now to make my lace melt just a little bit more, I'm going to go in. Look at my pumpkin. She's going to tell you guys, hey. And so to make my lace melt a little bit more, I'm just going to go in with my Got2b hairspray. And I'm going to spray my hairline to give it the extra firm hold that I needed to have. And I'm going to go with my scraps afterwards, and I'm going to tie it down and let it sit for about 10 minutes. So now that I have that all tied down, I'm just gonna leave this on for like 10 minutes. And the wig did come pre-plucked, but I'm gonna go in and define my part a little bit. And I did pluck my hairline a little bit, not too much. I kind of left it the way it was because I wanted it to be, as natural as possible. So I'm just going in with my tweezers and I'm going to, go back into my hairline and I'm going to define my part. So as after messing up in my part with the foundation, I just went back with my makeup removal wipe and fixed it. And you guys gonna see in a few clips, I ended up going out for my birthday and getting some cocktails and having fun. And this is how it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up and leave your comments and thoughts below. And I will see you guys in my next video.